Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've opened Google Search Console and picked the right property. Now navigate to Performance and add a new filter. Choose Page or Query, select Custom, and then Matches Regex. Start with a minimal pattern like /blog/ to limit scope. This helps you verify results quickly. Make sure to escape special characters, plus, and use and dollar to anchor if you need exact matches. Once done, confirm the preview shows expected rows before expanding complexity. You'll now construct the middle of your regex by combining groups and quantifiers. Use Apple Orange for alternation or /category/. *20020-$9 for yeared slugs. Use character classes like AZ0-9 to handle mixed content and apply plus or asterisk carefully to avoid overmatching. Note that Search Console uses Re2. Some advanced features like Look Behind aren't supported, so adapt patterns accordingly. After editing, recheck the filter preview and tweak until results match your intent. You're at the finish line. Apply the regex filter, compare different date ranges, and export the results to CSV for offline analysis or reporting. Save any repeatable filters or reproduce them with the Search Console API to automate checks. If you see 0 matches, troubleshoot by removing anchors, escaping special characters, verifying case sensitivity, and confirming the property includes those pages. Sometimes the issue is the scope rather than the pattern. Make one small change and re-preview to validate quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.